Hi Pushkar, how are you?
Yes, I am good, Ritvik.
Okay, just give me a minute.
Okay, so finally it worked.
I was able to, I'm able to stream it to my page. Just give me a minute. I'll try it again in the group itself.
Yeah, you can take your time. No issue.
Yeah, we are going live. So hi everyone. We have Semantic Pen founder Pushkar here. So hi Pushkar, welcome to the group.
Thank you, Ritvik. Hello, everyone.
So I'm sorry guys, I am not sure why my camera is not working. So yeah, so let's start.
Okay, sure. Okay, so
So,
where
you
to
would
start?
like to know the backstory uh, of your
Okay, so
how
so
you
I've been
work?
yeah.
Yeah.
So I've been doing the blogging since around 2016 and have done quite a lot of projects.
Mm-hmm.
And I was mainly into tech niche, like information kind of article, like how to do this kind of thing in tech, and you know how to do multi like how to install, how to use two WhatsApp number when it was not there earlier. So I used to share hacks on my site, and later I the went into Amazon affiliate marketing. So
Mm-hmm.
I ranked a lot of blog there. Also sold quite a few on Flipkart, and then I came into the automation world, and I learned the Python coding, and I automated lots of things like. I used to give a keyword and it used to generate an article and used to directly publish on the WordPress site. So that time I was using GPT-2 and it was not that good, but with the help of some translation plugins,
Mm-hmm.
I was used to bypass the copyright thing, plagiarism aspect of the article. So I used to translate one article into multiple languages like 15 or 16. So at one time I had around 700 to 800K pages index on Google, and that project really took off. And at its peak, it was getting around 10,000 traffic every day. So I got a good money from it, and I then sold after its peak season on Flipkart itself, and then I kind of automated everything. Okay. Hello.
Yeah, Pushkar, please carry on.
Yeah. So yeah, I then also tried out the Flippa selling system. So I
Mm-hmm.
used to build the starter site and with some basic keywords and article generation. I used to create like a 20 article on a site and used to rank for some keyword. Then I have sold them on Flippa. So I also got good money from that aspect. Then GPT-3 came up and things changed, and then lots of article that came up, like Jasper. Jasper was the first one, and then later that came up. So I got into the front end world using React. So I learned up the coding and the thing which I was already doing using Python. So I made this project.
Okay, cool. So, like, how many websites do you have like running on using
I
this
have
one?
currently around 8 to 9 blogs. They are mostly information kind of sites, so
Hmm.
I find them easy to rank.
So, like, what kind of niches is semantic
So
pen useful for, like, most of the time?
So it is. I have built it around the information kind of niches. So you can also write the compare kind of article. And for Amazon products review, I have provided a dedicated section for it, and you can
Okay,
just paste your Amazon products URL, and it will scrap that page and use that data as a context to create a full fledged article.
okay,
And
cool.
yeah, next we have YouTube to article mode. So you can enter any YouTube video link. So and it will have its subtitle and use that as a context to create a good article from around it.
Uh, can we like have a demo of how to do all this? It will be great.
Yeah. So are you able to see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's say I want to write about this Amazon product. So I will go to Amazon Writer mode, and next I will paste the link here. So next I need to write a keyword for which I want my article. So you can either generate your title using AI or you can manually write it. Let's select it, and yeah, all the other settings are quite simple. So if you want an introduction, you can so introduction is by default on. So if you want to disable it, you can disable it from here. And next we have key takeaways section. I have provided granular control over each section of the article, so you can simply turn it on and off. And yeah, everything looks
Okay.
good.
So, will it also generate like images and all?
Yeah, it can also generate the images. So, uh, but the thing is, for Amazon products images, so
Hmm.
AI image is not recommended because it
Yeah.
yeah, does not look real. So I have planned to include direct Amazon product. You know, this I will fetch this image and we'll put it there. So I have
Okay.
planned out this. So better to select the videos for it. Okay, let's create the outline. So it goes to search results pages. So and then it fetch out around 15 to 20 results. Then it goes to those URLs to see what kind of keywords we are writing on.
Okay.
Yeah. So that way it creates a full context around the target keywords. So we already have pros on Python, so we need to see if everything is right here. So one can also add a subheading directly here, like this. And you can also add a section.
So can we also add our own like FAQs and all?
So FAQ, you need to select on the first screen itself.
Okay, okay, okay,
So here you can play around the middle section. That is the your main content section. Apart from intro, and you have cross bounds here, and the last one is conclusion.
okay.
Okay.
So if you want, we can add or delete the points here, and we can start
Yeah,
generating, right? Yeah.
yeah. I have also provided extra information for each section. So you want to include some keyword on a particular section only. So you can add them here.
Okay.
And yeah, and you can also provide a custom prompt for that section only here. So I have tried to give as much edge control to user.
Okay.
Okay, if everything is good. Great.
So can we also like create a comparison type of posts using this? Like
Yes,
comparing A product A with product B, something like that.
so it is currently for the so it currently have the option for providing one Amazon URL only. So later I
Okay.
will give them option to put two URL. So it can compare accordingly.
Cool. Yeah.
So it goes to YouTube and search for your keyword and bring out your bring a YouTube video to embed it here. And it can also produce tables. And so for every section, it is searching on Google every time. So
Okay.
yeah, earlier there were sorts of a duplicate kind of content, or it's a kind of repeated kind of content. So I have
Hmm.
now upgraded the backend. So it for every section it goes to Google.
Okay. So for every search, that it'll search for Google and it'll take the best sections, right?
Right, right.
So what
So
like
yeah.
yeah, yeah, please carry on.
So for intro, I have tried to directly answer the query in the intro itself. So I have done this because I want to give search engine the best data on the front end itself. So
Okay.
yeah, when I'm writing blog, so I also try to do this. So when you have the information user looking for at the first, so search engine usually pick out the that portion for the zero search results. So I have optimized it that it is used for and it is best for kind of thing. So
Okay.
now, yeah, now it has generated the full article. So next, the plan is to add some more article format like quotes. Some user were asking, so I will add those here.
Mm-hmm. So will it generate like for each and every like now can we see the complete article?
Yeah, yeah, you can see this is the complete article. So it has produced around 3,000 words.
Okay. So it'll add everything like tables and all features and all that.
Yeah,
Okay. So
yeah, and,
uh, yeah, can you
and
publish it directly to WordPress?
Yes, you can publish it directly to WordPress. So I have added my site.
Mm-hmm.
So let's go. As it is in the draft, so I will log in.
Okay. So it'll first go to the draft, then it'll like we need to do the changes. Or can
No,
we also directly okay,
yeah,
cool.
yeah, yeah. I have provided every option which WordPress
Mm.
provides. So I've done
Okay.
quite a work here, and user can also select their author, and they can also select the category from here itself, and
Okay.
they can also enter tags here, and they can also select the slugs for the article. They can either select the keyword, target keyword, or they can select the article topic. So here it is.
Okay. So does it use the classic editor or the new Gutenberg blocks editor? While posting?
It is just classic one.
Okay.
So I directly pass the full HTML.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay. So can we see other like other types of articles?
uh, let's let's create the first one. Let's create one information kind of article. Let the auto
Okay.
So it will repeat the procedure for it. So I have
Okay.
added FAQ in it. So it is situated here. And will be enough. Let's send it on article.
So you have internal and external linking also. So how does that work?
So for internal linking, we go to your sitemap. So it fetches out all the links located in your sitemap. So we store them in our database.
Mm-hmm.
And when you select the option of internal linking, so we pass that data to AI to select the article naturally.
Okay.
And for external link, we look out for relevant keywords. The target keyword user has entered. So we first look out for different kind of related article which are similar to your target keywords. Then we go to Google. So and then we fetch out the links from there, which most cases are quite related, 98% over 90%. So
Mm-hmm.
then that way we fetch that data in the real time. So every link
Okay.
uh, mentioned here is the live link. So we don't.
So for example, if I have like a network of sites, can I explicitly ask AI to link only from those sites?
Not those sites, but uh,
So for example, you have like nine sites. Can we like? interlink those sites directly from Semantic Pen?
Not currently, but you can, mention the custom link here.
Okay.
So, yeah, if you put direct link here, so it will link to those sites only.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Yeah, you can also control the number of links you need in your article, so it will work accordingly. So, yeah.
So what do you think the best number would be for the external
I
link?
For external link, I think for every 1,000 word, you can link to out to two external site.
Okay.
Yeah. So I have selected the auto mode on media section. So this time it will has YouTube video and also create an AI images.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah. So yeah. Also generated the FAQ.
So what is the image image generator you are using?
I'm using Stable Diffusion version 3, the
Oh,
latest one.
okay. So right now, what are the APIs you can use for generating content?
So currently they can use the Open API. So for saving it, they can enter their key here. So it will be saved in our database. We use AES 256 encryption, so they are quite safe. Even if the database is hacked, so hacker cannot get access to your API.
Okay, so is another type like Claude or
So yeah,
Meta
we
Meta
are
is using?
no, currently we have for BYK OpenAI is available, and we
Okay,
have also Gemini Flash model here.
okay,
So for this, BYK will also come. So I'm currently working on the bugs reported by users. So after that, I will work on it, and we also have Cloudia integration.
okay.
So yeah, the tech part is already done. So I'm testing out the prompts which will
Hmm.
produce the best article currently.
Okay. So what are the other modes present in the semantic pen?
So next we have YouTube to article mode. So okay, let me. Let's say we have want to write on it. So then, in, generated the outline. Everything is So, yeah, so it goes to YouTube and catches its subtitles. So it then uses that data to create an article around it.
Mhm.
So
So
whatever,
will it
yeah.
take the transcribe of the YouTube video and create an article, or just from the title it will take it?
Yeah, so we use combination of both currently. So some user have complained about it. I will give the option to separate the things. So what
Okay.
happens is, yeah, sometimes the video is quite short, so there is not enough data. So
Hmm.
we then,
Yeah.
try to fetch things from Google search engine. So we will keep it as an option. whether
Okay.
they want whether they want to use YouTube data only or they can also use the SRP data. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So it has been written.
So you have YouTube to article. Can it also like write a YouTube script based on the uh, link we provided?
No, YouTube script creation is currently not in the plan. So I want to
Okay.
keep, yeah, it's focused on the article creation part only. So possibly I will introduce, some extra things like some user uh, have provided their suggestion regarding whether they can take the screenshot uh, of YouTube videos from
Okay.
particular YouTube section. So I like that idea very much. So after I ironing out the bug, I will, one by one do the updates to make this more better.
Okay. So I saw a post in like Ken's group. So what was the like problem with that?
So basically, they don't like the one line kind of sentences.
Mm-hmm.
So they want to have some code type of formatting. And
Okay.
currently, we don't use list kind of thing here. So they also want list kind of structure here. So like one, two, three kind of structure.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah. So basically, they want more formatting apart from images and YouTube videos. And currently, we have both kind of formatting. So they want more kind of formatting option. So yeah,
Okay. So
those are the easy parts. So I can easily build them.
okay. So they want
Yeah,
more control on what kind of formatting they want in the article.
yeah, they want listicle kind of thing.
Okay. So what is? Can you see the roadmap? So what we are excited to see what new features you are building on this.
So we are currently building on the URL2 article. So we have currently URL2 article mode going on.
Okay.
So yeah, next we are also working on the integration part.
Mm-hmm.
Like we have recently released the Webflow part. So you can see it here. So user can save their Webflow site here, and they can directly publish to their Webflow site also from here.
Okay. Can you also show us how to connect WordPress site to Semantic Pen?
So I have to share my app key, so which will not be possible. But yeah, I
Okay.
can explain things here.
Yeah, yeah. You just explain us how to do it. That should be fine.
Yeah, so for naming your website, you can name your website anything, and this is your WordPress username. So it is your normal username you use to log in,
Okay.
and yeah, this is your WordPress site URL, and this is the most important part. So it is not your normal WordPress part to password, and I think I can able to generate it. Yeah, so you can generate your application password from here. So yeah, I think I can show you. So they need to come to edit profile option.
Okay.
So I have come from here. So and they click the add new password option. So now they can access things using this.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
So when you save it, so it will be, you know, uh, it will work correctly.
So it's the same for Webflow also.
No, Webflow have a different kind of
That yeah.
integration option. So yeah, I can also show them. So Webflow, we need to go to apps and integration part,
Mm-hmm.
and then we can generate an API token from here. So let's say, so for this we need two kind of permission. So for CMS, like posting on your semantic pen block, so we need read and write permission to your CMS, and
Okay.
then we need to fetch your site. So we need sites permission. So we click on it, and we can add our token here.
Okay. So just adding token should be fine.
Yeah, so it verifies the token. So if everything is good, it will be shown here. So next you can select your Webflow site. Okay, so then you need to select your collection. So there are multiple type of collection in Webflow. So next, the post body, we will pass our article HTML to which field. So it will be shown here. Next, will have meta description in the future. So we already have provided option for those here. So yeah.
Okay.
Now you can add it in our database. So now you can select it from here. Like, so when you there's some issue there, I will check it.
Yeah, no problem.
So you can work it like that.
Yeah. So let's go to our Q&A section. I think most of the demo is done, right?
Like that.
So we have few questions from our users.
Sure.
So how is it compared to Junior AI, which is live on AppSumo right now?
So there were many questions around it. So I have prepared its answer. So I will read it out here.
Yeah.
So uh, Junior does not have the custom writing style, so we provide AI mimicking option. So when you are trying to write for your blog, so you can provide an snippet of your past article, like you can provide 300 words. Mm, Let me share it.
Yeah, that should be better.
So you can provide your custom writing style option here. So when you provide a para here, so we will AI will mimic your writing style. So this option is not available on the Junior.
Okay.
And, yeah. And next we have custom section prompt. The on the outline builder, I have shown you, like you can control each section of your article, and you can provide custom keyword to each section. So I have not found it on Junior.
Okay.
So yeah, next we have YouTube embed. So I have also not seen this option in Junior. Next, yeah, regarding LLM model, we have Gemini integration, Google Gemini integration. I have also not seen this option in Junior.
Mm-hmm.
And so AI images option are we have quite a lot of customization for our AI images section. Like you can control the amount of images you want your article. Let me put it here.
Okay, cool. So one of the user is asking, can it recommend low-hanging keywords for that article?
No, I will provide a basic keyword research tool. Like after entering keyword, will be able to suggest you 100 related keyword. So you
Mm-hmm.
can think of creating multiple article for it. So, but it will come later. So we want to basically remain an best article writing tool only. So
Okay,
yeah, I was talking about this one. So you can control the amount of images you want in your article. So like
okay.
this. Yeah. And yeah, we also have the call to action section. So I've also so we have also call to action section. So I have not seen this in Junior.
Mm-hmm.
So whenever you are writing for Amazon product images, you want a final call out in your article.
Yeah.
Yeah, after the conclusion or before the conclusion, so you can directly give out your product link or the landing page link you want to link the your user to. So we can do it like this. And yeah, we also have the Amazon product review mode and YouTube video to article mode. So I have not seen it on June.
Yeah. So does it has brand voice? So it looks like we wrote it. I think it's
So
you have it.
no,
Uh,
not currently. We have custom writing style. So, but it will be
okay.
expanded to to upload. Let user upload some PDF
Mm-hmm.
file around their company. So we will semantically use that data. So creating product pages.
Okay.
Yeah.
So does the Amazon writer writes reviews based on the full page, including user reviews or just product description?
Yeah, let me tell you that we use not only fetch the Amazon product pages, we fetch multiple basically three things. One scrap is done to fetch out the Amazon products information pages,
Mm-hmm.
and yeah, next for writing product pros, we fetch out five-star rated links or five-star rated review. Then for writing product cons, we fetch out three-star rated reviews. So we kind of use multiple calls in it to create a real article. So yeah, so my goal for Semantic Pen from the start has been to mimicking the manual article creation. So when I write Amazon product pages, I do the same thing. I first go to Google and look out for various blogs, and see the data how the product is. Then I check out the Amazon product listing whether this product is currently available or not. Because
Mm-hmm.
if it is not available, then you will not get the commission. And yeah, one thing I forgot to mention that you can it can also insert your Amazon affiliate link in the direct content itself.
Okay.
Yeah. Uh, so you can write your Amazon affiliate tag here. So we will naturally when we link to your Amazon product page, so your affiliate tag will be auto embedded in it. So you don't have to do manual work. So everything will be done automatically.
Okay. But for example, Amazon has like different countries, right? Amazon
Right.
affiliate program. Can we add like multiple things, or it's just one Amazon affiliate tag? There are some products which are available in different countries.
Right.
So can we add multiple? Amazon tags?
No, this currently you can add a single tag only.
Okay.
Yeah, if there is a demand for multiple tag, I'm not sure how this will work because the article will we will produce will be one. It
Yeah.
will possibly, yeah, it will possibly can be done using the third party solution like redirect kind of thing. So that way that this can be done, but I'm not sure that it is compatible with Amazon terms because they kind of keep banning affiliate for
Yeah.
some small silly things.
So how will you compare it with Neuron Writer?
So, yeah, that was the second question I got on another group. So basically, I have not seen any praises for Neuron Writer. So user praise it for its SEO score. They like their SEO score, but on the article writing itself, I have not seen so much of quality in it. And the customization option we provide, I have not seen in the Neuron Writer. So Neuron Writer is good on it fetch out the top SRPs and they actually show their keywords. So it's good on that aspect, but not on the actually on the article writing itself.
Yeah, like it's mostly known for its SEO
Op,
features itself.
op, yeah, it is known for mostly optimization score kind of thing. So user use their keyword data to optimize on other tools.
So can we see any similar features like Neuron Writer in Semantic Pen later?
Yeah, I was actually not, you know, okay, I will show once. So earlier, I was keeping the options as simple as possible for users. So when I created a poll on group that whether you want a SRP selection for your article, so they said yes. So I kind of brought that into front end. So now user can select their, what are the site they want to scrap the data from. So they can select it like this. So let's so that demo. So now they have the option to pick out the site they want to has the data from. So minimum
Okay.
you need to select the three sites. So then you can generate your article and we'll have the data from these sites only. So I have provided this option. So you can check out these all are real links also.
Okay.
So, so whatever the search we do is only real time only. So yeah, and yeah, the article we produce are quite, let's say factual. I meant to say factual.
Yeah.
So, so you can check out that we need to get around 100K views on the last
Yeah.
30 days and
Yeah.
10,000 followers. So you can check out that it has written exactly like this. So it can write accordingly because we do real-time search. So that way, the information we get is always fresh.
This looks full. So Indrapreet is asking, I use Trell which targets low competition keywords. How can you compare it with it? So I think both are different tools.
Okay, so I'm not able to get the question properly.
So Indrapreet is asking, I use Trell which
Okay,
targets
Israel. Israel. Okay.
yeah, Trell, low competition keywords. How can you compare with it?
So it is mainly kind of similar to neuron writer, I would say. So it
Yeah.
is good for optimization.
So how much does it cost to create like 10 or 20 articles if you use GPT-4?
Okay, so GPT-4 is currently the most costly model.
Mm-hmm.
So we currently use GPT-4o and GPT 4o mini, which was the latest one. So we kind of get all article using GPT-4 mini. So I have seen good results from it, and it is also cost effective. So on an average, when we produce around 2,000 to 2,500 words, so you can expect around 5 cent or 10 cent on an average per hour.
On GTP4, right?
No, we use mainly GPT-4o
Okay,
or main.
okay,
Yeah.
got it.
So, so currently with GPT-4, I have not made it available. So
Mhm.
the thing is, we not only the cost is not only for the output token, so it is also for the input token. So we use the URL context data also. The URL context, the top rank, I mean the top rank inside data. We go to many website and then extract the data from there. So every section has 3,000 to 4,000 words. That means around 12,000 tokens at least. So every section costs quite a lot. So that for that optimization, I have made the GPT-4 mini as a default. So user can select GPT-4 also, but O-mini is by default. So cost and quality can be good.
Okay. So if you calculate in that way, if you use GPT-4, it will be very expensive, right?
Not exactly. It will be around zero point 0.2, I guess, 20 cents around.
Okay. So it will also calculate the input tokens.
Yeah, every LLM calculates the input token.
Yeah.
It is less costly, but there is a cost also. So,
Okay. So are you planning to include that GPT-4 also in the future, or so
if
will?
so, OpenAI setup is already ready. So I just have to mention the model name. So
Okay.
it will be ready. So I don't have any issue. So yeah, I can input it without any issue. It's just 5 minute work for me.
Okay. Yeah, like because few will plan to use GPT-4 itself.
Yeah, yeah, I can provide. If they need
Yeah.
it, yeah, I will add it.
Cool. Uh, so I think we have. So which model do you find the best for Amazon Writer?
For Amazon Writer, we already got, so basically the LLM quality depends on, I have noticed it, that the main quality factor is the context.
Mm-hmm.
If you just ask it raw that what is this, so it will not, the hallucination things only happen when AI does not have the context. So it, goes haywire and create context which is not relevant. So when you give enough context to any LLM model, so most of the time it will produce good results regarding your query. Amazon product review pages, uh, I am mainly using GPT-4 mini, so it is producing good results. Yeah, okay, so the best one is GPT-4 also. So I think that should produce better results than the GPT-4 mini.
Okay. I think we are done with the questions from our community. And there is one last question.
Sure.
No giveaways. Do you have any giveaway?
We will have a giveaway. Five tier one drive licenses.
So guys, you will get five tier one licenses, and whoever attended the webinar will select them. Will select the winners from the webinar itself.
Yeah, we can select it from there, or you can also make a post on your group. and let them ask any question they might have.
Yeah, sure. We'll decide that soon.
Yeah.
So thank you, Pushkar, for showing us the amazing demo. It was really great having you on the
Thank you.
webinar,
Thank you, Ritu,
and
for your time.
you have built a great product. I'm really hoping to test it out soon,
Sure. Thank you.
and I hope our community gives a great feedback, and so that you can make this product even better.
Yeah, I'm always open to constructive feedback. So the current version was also not only my thinking. So I've been, testing them with many users and listening to their feedbacks, what they need. And the Amazon update tag option was created from, their thinking only. So I was not thinking on that direction. So they gave me suggestion regarding it. So it was build from the suggestion only. And next we have custom outline. So instead of AI to generate your outline, you can also mention your article outline directly.
Hmm.
So that was also a good suggestion. So I built it from the user suggestion only. So they are mostly the tool which I have built have kept all the user suggestion only in mind. So I have built it around it. So let me know any suggestion you might have. So yeah, I will include it in it.
Awesome, awesome. So, guys, if you have any suggestions, please do comment on the webinar post or on the uh,
Give me
reel
post.
post.
So,
So, Pushkar is open to your feedback. So, please do leave your feedback in the comment section. So, thank you, Pushkar. It was
thank you,
great
Vijay.
having you. So, all the best for your campaign.
Yeah, thank you a lot. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, see you soon. Bye. Have a nice day.
Bye.